Hi guys. Welcome to the channel, guys. So guys, this channel always will go with the best option to generating traffic and we can promoting for website or YouTube channel. Lot of option we'll discuss in this particular option. Now we discuss today how we can generating traffic will be multiple websites. How is it happening for that particular website? So generating for particular traffic. In this purpose, if you are selecting any kind of website, is one of the best option is called PowerPoint presentation documentation. In this particular website, they give the best website, sharepresentation.com, AuthorStream, and PowerShow, Issue, SlideShare, and Script. They will be only for 30 days trial, and this will be SlideServe.com. So in this particular website, they're supporting two things, documents. One is presentation, one is the documentation. In documentation will be two, Word documentation and a PDF documentation. So when coming to PowerShow, so what are the document we can upload here? PPT that will be supporting as a video also. AuthorStream also will be promoting for documentation, PPT, everything. So most of the option will be presentation by PPT. That is mean by the keyword will be targeting for in the Google search results. The keyword will be targeting for Google search results. Suppose what are the presentation will be uploaded on your particular clipboard here. So what are the slideshow will be here? The every slide will be in this. In this, what is the major will be slide purpose? When click will be anywhere, they go to your particular websites. The most of the option will be clicking for the website will be rate from the particular post option. So these all will be your particular presentations. So where it is your particular option. So in this, we can promoting for PPT, PDF, anything will be happen. Now, first of all, I'm selecting the PPT, how we can post the particular one website. Here I will show the particular one website is called issue. In this one, click for upload option. What are the upload you can post here in this your device? Selecting here option will be. So selecting here. After this one, add your content. This is a marketing other option. Is a promoter marketing here. Public option. Here, no need to give any kind of option. If you only have go to post, will be free option. Now click for publish this portal. So finally, the link will be copied. View is a live issue. Here, two things will be remember. They will be creating for a PPT option. Properly will be designed. In this, what are the link you will be designing your particular option? They go to will be working for your particular things. These all your particular format will give you the in a particular option. So how many people will be follow this website? That all will be generating will be traffic from where to the your website option. So people will be read this option. They can see the your website link. They contact to the particular option. And same like that, we can posting for Word document also. Not only for same. So will only PPT will be submitted. No other option will be there. Nothing like that. We can submitting for Word document also. Go to device option. What are the Word document you will be posting here? This Word document will be created for the proper navigation. That will be here. So just open the file. The file will be in this particular format. The page layout, this will be landscape. So here will be switch over here in New York. So what are the posts will be in this? So here will be option. So next, description mandatory field. If you forget the description, nothing to work out. Click for the publish this option. Live-ish. Previous I'm uploading for documentation. Now I'm uploading for in this option will be here. So here, what are the link will be here? Every link will be accepted in the Word documentation. So most of the Word document will be supporting for most of the websites. Here, sometimes in your PPT option, the link will be just not working for your particular option. So that is the reason most of the people uploading for the Word document for issue and SlideShare website. So you can go to upload here. What are the content you will be upload? There is a maximum. First of all, here, what are the clipboards you are uploading here? There is a presentation is a compulsory important. So 3 slides here, switch reader and precision reader. So except this one, you can upload the remaining documentation. So what are the documentation will be promoting here? That will be in this option will be in a particular option. So here, select, I'm posting this content. Every documentation you will be post the particular documentation will be open your particular file will be here. Once done your option, open this file, everything done. Tags will be copy and your domain name must and should adding your tags will be SlideShare option. This only particular option will be given in a particular things. So here next, don't forget adding the description. That is nothing but your SEO description. How the people will be considered as your documentation. The portability in a documentation compulsory mandatory. There is a page layout. There is an option will be given by the landscape. So there is a content will be post and click here. So what are the option will be here? Now you're clicking for publish. These are the options will be post a content. Finally, the URL will be created for the particular users. These are all option nothing but way to the particular users will be create option name is called issue and SlideShare. What are the possibilities? We can promote the keyword and particular things. The one more website is called slideserve.com is the most powerful website. So that is like as a YouTube, how is a presenting the video, the presenting video will be here. So that all will be same like a YouTube option. The final people will be reaching your business will be here. Click this option, they go to where? Your particular website. The most of the website, you can note down here, AuthorStream, sharepresentation.com, powershow.com, issue, SlideShare, and slideshare.com. These are the website to increase the traffic on your particular website by using PPT presentation. So a lot of websites are there. These are all website I can upload for the my website blog along with the video will be there with the PPT submission free website. How you can submit the free website, that all list will be given by the my particular website Rocketech Solutions. We can follow the my blog option. What are the links will be needed? I upload by the my website. So any further question, how you can making documentation or any kind of things, if you require, can ask me to the my channel option will be always support you. If any things required to generating traffic, PPT presentation is the most important to the your particular business. What document? PPT presentation. SlideShare issue will be given by the Word or PPT will be submitted. Most of the option, we can go with the option name is called Word document will be SlideShare issue. Remaining, you can go for PPT presentation, PowerShow and SlideShare. AuthorStream also will be supporting for PPT and Word documentation. Which is suitable, we can open it. So we can open purpose. There is option name is called shared here. So email, more will be here. This is a link. We can copy and paste it. These are the compulsory they're creating by your structure. People will be present the your presentation option. They read, they come into your website by using this presentation option. How we can promoting for website, same like we'll be promoting for in this option. These are the functionalities you can follow them on a particular option. In the description part, you can add the link also will be suitable to generating the backlink option. Follow these instructions, promote your website by using PowerPoint presentation option. These are the website links, few and note down here. These are the website. Please note down and work out on the PowerPoint presentation websites. This will be generating backlinks on your particular website to generating traffic on your through your keyword. Keyword is more affected by generating traffic on your website. So for the any question, ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.